Today I got this box from a eBay seller. He decided to drop off the box directly to my hometown, and it looks like we have a very nice finds here, so let's take a look. Okay, here we have a metal engines, model trains. I don't use them, so I just keep the Trackmaster. Okay, we have Hank. It looks really nice. Okay, here's Molly. I don't know if we have the tender for Molly and Hank, but we are about to find out. Okay, Scarloy. He is missing stickers. I mean, the nameplate is already erased. We can make a custom engine from this. Plug the car. Okay, Mavis. Comes with batteries. Nabil standard. Okay. A black caboose and Rusty from Mateo. Cool. We have Flora. Cool. And we have Stepney. Oh man. Restoration. Yeah. Diesel. Oh, look, it's really dirt. Okay. Gordon from Tommy. Oh, nice. Complete set. This is Duke. Looking good. These model trains looks like they came with batteries, so some of these might be exploded. We're gonna find out. This is a coal dust Duncan. I don't remember what set this comes or what's the real name, but this is Duncan. And wow, look at that restoration. Yeah, little lining. It's alright. Little cleaning and repainting. Next restoration. Emily's motorizer tender. Salty. And we got Splatter is heavy. I think the batteries are inside. Oh man, look at that. That smell of restoration. Yep, definitely a restoration. And wobble wheel tourism truck. Look how it wobbles. Nice. Green car and Thomas. Nice. Here's an RC Molly. No remote. Okay. So one more Thomas and Nabil right here, and here is the tender. Cool. Wow, look at that. Nelson. Amazing find. And we have Boko. Boko looks really nice. Okay. Here's another car. Missing the cover. And Molly's tender. This will be a nice restoration. I already did, but I can make another one. Look, here is Molly. Nice. A troublesome truck and make a mess Thomas. This should be a set from Make a Mess Thomas with a wobbly wheels troublesome truck. A whistle. Pull back. Donald's tender. Rosie. Yep, good. James goes boss. Look at that, nice. Hard to find and real expensive engines. Metal trains. Diesel 10. Ben. Nice. And Bill. Cool. Ben and Bill. Toby, we have Toby. Nice. Another fine, Spencer. Really cool. Good because I can make this Malar. and turn him on Mala. Okay, here is Donald. I think it's Donald because here is the tender. Yeah, definitely Donald from Hittai Company. Emily, and here is the tender for Emily. So we got the whole set. Okay, we have James 09 from Mattel. Heavy. Cool. Splish, splash, splosh, Emily. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, Stanley. And Ari. Wow. Okay, I got a belt from another box or another unboxing right here. So I have the twins. Cool. Ari and Bert. Nice. Renias. And Billy. We found Billy. Cool. And here's the last one, and I think it's the most rarest thing I found on this box. See right there? Talking flip face James. Wow. I'm gonna keep this one maybe for a couple of days. So he looks decent condition, just need new stickers. And I don't know if the batteries are inside, but this is heavy, so it might look like a restoration. Look at that, nice find on this box. Well, hope you guys like it, and the next videos I'm going to see if I can find any restorations to show you. And maybe this one and this, I already done this, but this one I gotta see for a new restoration. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Over and out.